So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to hatch any shape without any error. So I'll just take a square of, let's say, 150 mm. Let's go with 150, then again we'll go with 150, and we'll go with 150. And what we'll do is here we'll have 140 over here. So now as you can see that here is a gap of 10 mm. So what happens in regular cases is that when you hatch it, this will not hatch, correct, because it has gaps. But what you have to do is you have to go in this drop down menu box of options, and then you have to increase the gap tolerance to 10, because the gap here is 10. And now again go with the hatch command, and you'll just have to hatch, select continue hatching this area, and voila, the software will hatch the shape in no time, and it will not consume your time of closing the lines and doing all the stuff when you don't have time. So this is a really time saver for you. So thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.